Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all, how are you doing today? I hope you are always doing well, healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. Before we get started, please let me introduce myself first. My name is Nada Rahmatina. You can call me Nada. I am a Quranic Science and Interpretation major. So today I'm gonna be reading an English article and then interpreting it a little bit and then summarizing it in the end of the lesson. So I'm gonna put the text here beside me so we can read along together. So let's begin. So the article that I'm gonna be reading today is titled Be True to Yourself, written by Z. Hereford. I got it from a website called essentiallifeskills.net, as you can see here. So the article is not so long, but it has a lot of paragraphs. So let's just begin. So firstly, I'm not memorizing the text, so I'm gonna be looking at the text as well here. So let's read along together. Paragraph 1. To be true to yourself means to act in accordance with who you are and what you believe. If you know and love yourself, you will find it effortless to be to yourself. So this is an introduction that author want to introduce this article with saying that what does to be true yourself mean? What does it really mean? So he said that to be true to yourself means to act in accordance with who you are and what you believe. So in a simple way, in the simpler way, we can say that to be true to yourself is you can do what you want to do and be what you want to be. That is the simplest way. The next one, just as you cannot love anyone else until you love yourself, you cannot be true to anyone else until you are true to yourself. Begin by not being afraid to be who you are. So, in this paragraph, author wants to imply that we cannot love anyone else until we love ourselves first, and we cannot love ourselves until we know ourselves. So, the first thing you have to do is know ourselves, who we actually are, what our passion is, and trying to find our soul, our true character, and not trying to imitate any other people. Next, as difficult as it may seem at first, have the courage to accept yourself as you are, not as someone else thinks you should be. Don't take action to or pretend to be someone else for the sake of gaining acceptance. So, to summarize this paragraph, don't please other people's expectation to gain acceptance. Just don't pretend to be someone else so you can be accepted in that society. Just live your own life because you cannot be happy living someone else's. Many young people believe that when they do things to please their peers, such as drink when they shouldn't or behave and party in inappropriate ways, they will be popular and well liked. They go against the advice of their parents or their own common sense only to find themselves in trouble and not accomplishing what they hoped. So this paragraph is really related and connected with the previous one. The main point is just don't please other people. It's okay to be kind, it's okay to be nice, but don't try too hard to please other people's expectations because you cannot make everyone in the world happy because of you. Just be yourself. When you do things that are not genuine or a reflection of the real you, you will be both confused and unhappy with yourself. You will be confused and unhappy because you won't know whom to please or how. So, as I said before, you can't be happy living someone else's life because it's not something you want in life. You want to do in life. It's not something you want to achieve in your life. So just live your own life. You do you. Next, self-respect comes from being true to the real you and from acting in alignment with your fundamental nature. When you respect yourself, others will respect you. They will sense that you are strong, confident, and capable of standing up for yourself and your beliefs. So, in this part, author talk about the importance of self-respect. How can we respect ourselves so that other people, as the result, will respect us as well? When you are true to yourself, you allow your individuality and uniqueness to shine through. You respect the opinions of others, but do not conform to stereotypes or the expectations of others. We all are unique and special in our own way. Being true to yourself takes courage. It requires you to be introspective, sincere, open-minded, and fair. It doesn't mean you are inconsiderate or disrespectful of others. It means you will not let others define you or make decisions you should make for yourself. So once again, it's a good thing to be nice, it's a good thing to be a kind person, but you don't need to please other people's expectations. You don't need to please them just so you can be accepted around them. Be true to the very best of who you are and live life consistent with your highest values and aspirations. Those who are successful in life dare to express their true selves with the wonderful side effect of broadening the perspective of others. So, I will sum up this paragraph, this part, in one simple sentence. Dare to be the best version of yourself. Here it is. The last part of the article is tips on being true to yourself. I'm just gonna read it all. Be who you are, be your genuine self, follow your own value system and common sense, listen to the advice of others, but make up your own mind. Recognize, appreciate, and develop your unique talents. Stand up for what you believe in, and you will gain respect. Know that being different is a gift. Understand that you are enriching others by being yourself. And last but not least, learn to trust your intuition. Ya, jadi kesimpulan singkat dari artikel yang baru saja kita baca bersama-sama adalah jadilah dirimu sendiri. Be true to yourself artinya adalah jadilah dirimu sendiri, jujurlah terhadap dirimu sendiri. Berbuat baik kepada orang lain tentu adalah hal yang diperbolehkan. Tapi kalau misalkan orang lain menyuruh kita untuk berbuat begini, begitu, melakukan ini dan itu, sampai kita berubah menjadi orang lain hanya untuk menyenangkan hati mereka dan diterima di masyarakat, tentu itu bukanlah hal yang baik, karena berarti kita membohongi diri kita sendiri. So, as a closure, I wanna say, just dare to be yourself because you will be happy about it. So yeah, that's it. I really do apologize if I make any mistakes in this video. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.